used to move like fire, burning bright without a fear. Now every touch feels lighter, like it's scared to disappear. I watch you from a distance, even when you're by my side. Your smile comes slower lately, like it's trying hard to hide. And I can feel the colors fading, even as you hold my hand. Love shouldn't feel like waiting, but I don't know where we stand. This is love in slow motion, falling apart frame by frame, softly losing all the pieces, till nothing feels the same. We're drifting like we're dreaming, but waking hurts the most. 'Cause love dies in slow motion, long before you see the ghost. You still say you love me, but it echoes differently now. Your voice is gentle, careful, like you're scared of breaking vows. We sit in the same room, but we're oceans far away, reaching for the same moon, from different hearts each day. You look at me like someone you're trying to remember, and I hold on to the warmth, fading ember after ember. This is love in slow motion, losing you inch by inch, trying not to say a word, afraid my voice might make you flinch. We were once a perfect picture, now we're just a quiet ghost. 'Cause love fades in slow motion, long before the ending shows. And maybe we could save it if we both learned how to try. But love isn't healed by silence, and hearts don't mend by lies. If we could pause the moment, rewind to who we were, maybe love would move again. Maybe we'd still be sure. This is love in slow motion, a heartbreak wearing grace, a slow goodbye unfolding in the softness of your face. We used to run toward forever, now forever feels so close. 'Cause love breaks in slow motion, and it's breaking as you go. Love in slow motion, the kind you never chose.